Buying a new phone is always exciting, but this time it felt different. This wasn't just about upgrading to a better device, it was about understanding the process behind it. I recently bought the iPhone 15 Pro Max and 17 Pro Max from China, and for me, it represents more than just a smartphone. It represents access to business knowledge and the power of sourcing products directly. China is known as the world's manufacturing hub. Many of the smartphones used globally are assembled there before being distributed around the world. When you understand that, you begin to see things differently. Instead of only buying from local retail stores, you realize there is an opportunity to go closer to the source. Because I already had the experience in importing, especially electronics, I decided to purchase my personal phone directly from my supplier to China. The process required planning and understanding cost properly. When importing a phone, you have to consider the buying price in RMB, convert it into converting it into US dollars, including shipping fees and calculate duty charges. Once all those numbers are clear, you know your total and landing cost. This approach changes your mindset. You stop thinking like a normal consumer and start thinking like a business owner who understands supply chains and profit margins. The iPhone 15 Pro Max itself is a powerful device. It is built with performance in mind, making it ideal for content creation and business use. The phone is fast, smooth, and reliable. As someone who creates YouTube videos, reports TikTok content, communicates with suppliers, and manages business conversations daily, I need a device that can handle heavy usage without slowing down. This phone does exactly that. The camera quality is one of the strongest features. With its advanced main camera system, the photos and videos are sharp, detailed, and professional looking. For a content creator, this is extremely important. Good visuals attract attention, and attention creates opportunities. In today's digital world, your phone can literally be your office, your studio, and your editing suite all in one. Battery life is another important factor. A business day can be long, especially when you are constantly online, from responding to customers to checking shipments and creating content. You need a device that keeps up with you. The iPhone 15 Pro Max delivers strong battery performance that supports productivity throughout the day. Beyond the features, what excites me most is that this purchase represents importing my own phone reinforces the idea that we are not limited to buying locally at marked up prices. When you understand sourcing, payments, freight forwarding, and customs clearance, you unlock a bigger world of opportunities. The same system used to import a personal phone can be used to import products for resale. This experience reminds that knowledge is powerful. Many people see a phone as just an expense. I see it as a tool for productivity, branding, and income generation. It helps me create content, run my business efficiently, and connect with global suppliers. In that sense, it is not just a gadget. It's an investment. Buying the iPhone 15 Pro Max from China was both a personal upgrade and a business decision. It reflects a mindset shift from simply consuming products to understanding where they come from and how they move across borders. And once you understand that process, you realize that opportunities are much bigger than they first appear. At the end of the day, it's not just about owning a new phone. It's about positioning yourself closer to opportunity and using the tools available to build something greater. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button as I will be sharing how I import earphones from Dubai. Ciao!